Hi guys, welcome back to my channel today. I just want to do something random, so I just decided to do one of my favorite things. So which is from How to Train Your Dragon. So let's get ready with it. Hey, I think let's go and check out the island. We can't just the island as people as it looks so bad. But just for safety, I better grab my sword all out. Sounds very quiet. Wait, what's that noise? Well, huh? Who did that one? Whoa, a light fury. Whoa, a light fury. Whoa, a light fury.
But be mindful of your little
Hey, toothless. Wait. Wait. Toothless, wait. So you really like her, so let me get started with something. There, and that, and there. Now we just gotta test if it's, it's fireproof. Now, if it's fireable, then you can do. Well, don't know what to do except for sleep. Well. And also, you guys, thank you for 11 subscribers too, and have an awesome night or day. And this is a video which I I needed to pause bunch of many of times. I worked really hard on this, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. That will help me. And when I reach to 14 subscribers, there will be part 2, or if I just get 1 like on this video, I would make part 2 of this. Well, bye guys!